Super, super cute. Oh my goodness. That's my favorite thing to say. It's super cute. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie. Today I don't know what I'm doing just yet. I'm either gonna do some twists or braids in my hair. I'm gonna attempt to do the twist first and see if I like them. I've done them before, but the hair that I got, it's not really as long as I want it. So for the twist, so I don't know. I might do a couple twists and then see how I like it, and I might switch to braids, but we're gonna see. But I'm starting out with blow dried hair. So I blow dried my hair. I'm gonna take this out. I need to straighten up my parts. I didn't really part it like really good, so I'm gonna start in the front. Probably after I take these braids out, I'll probably clip my ends, but they're not really too bad. I don't know. And I clip my own ends. I'm not like professional or nothing. I just watch YouTube. So I'm gonna go from the side. My hair in the middle is like a really sensitive area. Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do twists or braids. Man, come on. That's not straight. Bro. There. About as straight as it's gonna get for now. This is gonna be an all day event. This is 1B outre. Outre, is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure. I just call it outre. What is it called? 100% Kanekalon expression hair. I'll show you the box or bag thing that I got it out of, but I think I threw it away, but I can take it out to show y'all later. I might added a picture in for you. I don't know the size. I'm just here. I don't want to do them small either. Might do them a little blocky. I'm just doing this because I'm going on a little trip. Well, a couple trips. One to Chicago, and the other one I'm going to Florida right after I come back from Chicago. So I need my hair to be away, but I also don't want to keep these up for that long because when I get back, I want to take it out and do my mini twists. All right, we're gonna start here. And for the good clean parting, you don't have to use this, but you can use any kind of like braid, lock, or twist gel. That's what I have, and this is what it looks like. It's brown. It's really good for getting like clean parts, even though this is fine. So first I'm gonna start with a twist and see how I like it, and hopefully I even have enough hair. But anyway, we're gonna go put this into 2, and then we're gonna clip that back. Oh my gosh, this is broken. It has no teeth on it. Wow, just one. Okay, we're gonna use a pink one. Well, that's really funny. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the twist gel on here. I call them Senegalese twists. I don't know what everybody else call them, or if I don't know. I think it has multiple names, but basically you just, some people part it, like break it into 2 this way, or they part like diagonal. So what you do is, am I teaching y'all or what? Okay, so on this side, I'm gonna twist it with this hair. And the other side, I'm going to twist it in the opposite. Is that the opposite direction? With the hair. It's hard to explain. And then you're going to twist it together. I know, terrible example. I'm so sorry. And it's going to look... Let me try it again. I don't think I did it good enough. Okay, we're going to try this again. So I got it in two. Let me see which way I want to... Yeah, I'll do it this way. So the back, I'm going to twist it down. And the front, let's see, I'm going to twist it up. And then you're just going to twist them together. I might do braids because this is going to be annoying. Some people also do a braid at the root. Some people also do rubber band and then, what do you call it? Crochet the hair in between, and then they start twisting. I don't like the rubber bands. My hair is too fine for that. It's just, I can't do like a million rubber bands in my hair. Absolutely not. Let me see. You let it go and it's gonna just be like this. I'm trying to see, do I want this or do I want braids? This is giving... This is cute though. I haven't done my twist in a long time. Okay, I think we're going with the twist. I'm gonna twist one side, boom. Twist it like that. Then you're gonna get the other side. Then we're gonna twist them together. I'm trying to debate if I want to use this gel like on the length of my hair, just to help it, you know, stay neat. I might put a little bit. See, it's looking better already. And it's not gonna be this tight once I let it go, so don't worry. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the twists. I think these are really cute. All the way down. I wish I got the longer hair, but let me see. It's not too bad. It's not too short. I didn't want like super short twists. Yeah. Like if I'm gonna do the twist, I want them long. But this is like kind of a medium length. I like this. So I'm gonna stick with it. That's the second braid or second twist. All right, I'll be back once I get some more done. Okay, yeah. I just finished the front. It's looking so good. So really quick, I want to show you how I part in the back. I definitely use a second mirror. I have a mirror here and a second mirror to basically look and check out my parts and make sure they're straight. So what I do is I already have it parted, so I'm gonna do a fake part. So what I do is get my comb. Basically, I just kind of like blindly do it and then check. And then fix it if it needs to be fixed. So I'll get and find the area that I want to put the part in. Get the comb, pull it straight all the way through. And then you're going to split the hair. I'll just pin this up just to show you. And then I'm going to use my mirror to double check and make sure that's how I want it. So that's how I Make sure my parts look good in the back. So now I'm gonna get finished. I'm gonna show you guys maybe like the first row in the back, and then after that I'm gonna do the rest off camera because I don't want to sit here the entire time. I want to watch some TV. All right, this is my first row in the back. It seems to be correct. Yep. I'm gonna part this. All right. Okay, now I can braid. Get some hair. It's gonna break it in half. The hair. One side, twist it. Other side. Make sure I get all of the hair. I'm gonna start my twist. Make sure you hold it tight and twist. I'm gonna get my mirror and check, make sure I like it. Yep, that's what I want. And then I want to keep it going. I was just going to show you guys this one on camera. I'm going to do the rest off camera. All right, we're at the end of this twist. To get it here, you just kind of slowly let it loosen up. And that's it. There you have it. There's the first one in the back. See you when I'm done. And voila, I am done. It came out really, really cute. I think for the ends, I think I'm gonna just leave them like this. I was gonna dip them, but I think it'll make it look like really skinny at the ends. But I think it's fine. I think it'll hold. I've had these before. Worst case scenario, I had to like redo them, but I think they're in pretty good. Very, very nice. I think I definitely did the back a little bit smaller, but I just wanted to make sure it had like a full look to it. I'm gonna turn around really quick so you can see the back. Okay, this is what the back is looking like. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even looked at it from behind. Like as a finished product. Yeah, they're kind of long, not super long. These are so cute. I think people call them passion twists. That's another word. Passion twists. I call them I call them Senegalese twists. But some people call them passion twists, I think. I don't know if that's the tighter ones. I don't know, but I like these. They're super light, super cute. I'm gonna be like put it in a cute style. I'm just here for it. So yeah, tell me what y'all think. Do you like them? Let me know how I did. And these are definitely in there. Super, super cute. Oh my goodness. That's my favorite thing to say. It's super cute. But that's just, I don't know. That's just what I say. But it's really nice how it came out. I really love it. This is going to be great. I would like to keep these in only for 2 weeks. I think this will last. I'm pretty sure it will. Probably even longer. But yeah. What do y'all think? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Have you even tried these? Or if you want me to do like a more in-depth, I know I tried to show y'all how to do it, but if you want more like an in-depth video how to do them, I can show you. I just try not to make my videos too ridiculously long, so you know, because everybody don't like to watch the whole video. But yeah, so if you want to make a video like that for you, I will. Just leave me a comment. Any kind of video, actually, any kind of hair video, just leave me a comment, because I read them all. I don't have that many, so I read them all and reply to them all mostly. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. It's gonna help my little channel. It's really small right now, but we're growing over here. We're growing. But yeah, peace. See y'all in the next video. Bye.